Hey there, Spooky Squad. Welcome back to my channel. Halloween is just around the corner, and you know what that means. It's time to start planning your killer costume. In today's video, we are diving into creative and unique Halloween costume ideas that are sure to turn heads and give you major Halloween inspo. So, grab your pumpkin spice lid and let's get started. First up, why settle for one classic movie monster when you can combine them all? How about a Frankenstein mummy or a vampire werewolf? Mix and match your favorite iconic monsters for a truly unforgettable costume. Level up your Halloween game by transforming into a retro video game character. Whether it's Mario, Lara Croft, or even a Pokemon trainer, bring your favorite pixelated hero to life with a creative twist. Embrace your inner time traveler with a doctor who inspired costume. Grab a sonic screwdriver, throw on a bow tie, and you will be ready to explore time and space, all while looking fabulous. Want to be the talk of the town? Dress up as the latest pop culture sensation, whether it's a character from a trending show or a viral meme, you will be the life of the Halloween party. Step into the pages of your favorite fairy tale with an enchanted costume, become a whimsical fairy godmother, a mischievous Cheshire cat, or a daring little red riding hood with a modern twist. Get ready to shine bright like a star with a glamorous alien costume. Think metallic, holographic, and out of this world. Makeup that's sure to make you the star of any Halloween galaxy. Unleash your DIY skills by becoming a haunted object. Transform into a possessed doll, a cursed mirror, or a spooky vintage painting. It's a costume that's both airy and impressive. Last but not least, give personality to an inanimate object. Become a sassy talking lamp, a rebellious traffic cone, or a mischievous rubber duck. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, our top Halloween costume ideas for 2023. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more spooky content. Until next time,